comfortable enough?
Okay.
It's like I'm talking to someone. I think it's serious. For someone who doesn't particularly enjoy doing house chores, especially washing dishes, I seem to be getting a lot of inspiration whenever I'm doing my house chores. Regarding the series that I said I would want to start, 30s lessons, my POV. So technically, this is some of the things I've learned in my 20s, and a couple of them will also be some of the lessons I've learned in my first year of being in my 30s. And I wanted it to become a Thursday Talk series where I just say anything that comes to my mind because I know someone would learn from this. And today's topic is on the value of money. As I'm busy eating my chapati that I did not make, this is so good. I only made them, I don't do anyway. I just thought about something. Talking about what money can give you. We always say money doesn't buy you happiness. Debatable. But there's one thing that money buys you that you can never take for granted. Money buys you your time and money buys you convenience. You know why I'm saying that? And why I started with the fact I didn't make this chapati. I've been craving chapati a lot. And averagely for you to make chapati will take you maybe like 2 hours. That is 2 hours I can put into doing something. Which reminded me, last weekend, as I was going to my friend's baby's birthday, I still had to go to the gym. I had to fix my hair, this hair. I had to go buy gifts and so on and so forth, and I still had to edit a YouTube video I needed to post. And I realized I didn't have time. And the night before, I was scrambling to finish work. So I was like, you know what? In the morning when I woke up, I sent this wig to my hairdresser. Uber delivered it to her. She fixed it. Uber delivered it back to me. That was an hour. And mind you, before that, I was thinking I would go to the gym at like 9. And then by maybe 12 o'clock, I'm done with fixing my hair, doing it. Because I needed to straighten it and so on and so forth. Believe you me, I wouldn't have done it. And that day, actually, what came into my mind was, or rather the biggest realization that came to me about money is supposed to buy you convenience. Money is not necessarily always meant to buy you happiness. Convenience. I'm eating chapati and I'm enjoying it because the time I would have used, the 2 hours I would have used to make this chapati, I ended up putting it into work and putting it into editing and other stuff, and even resting. Anyway, I'm running late, so that's it.